Hi there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Digital Marketing with Luke Kloss at LKD Marketing. I'm glad you guys have joined us. Basically, today's video, I'm going to show you the importance. I always stress the importance of ranking in the top three for your Google Maps. So, I'm going to show you a practical example of how many leads um, I'm actually generating on a listing that I'm managing using the Google Map Pack. It's very, very important. So let's get into it. So where I'm going to go now, I'm going to go to the actual Google My Business profile insight. So I'm sure if you're not familiar with this is it's when you have registered your Google My Business listing. So you'll register your business in Google My Business listing. If you do not know how to do this, to register it, I will leave a link on the description below on how to do this. But I just want to show you, this video is going to be very quick and short. I just want to show you the insights with regards to this. What we have in front of us right now is Google is actually telling us the queries that are used to find our business. This is the most popular queries for your business by unique users. So it's telling us what people have been typing, right? To find our business, which is an advantage. It gives us an informed information with regards to keywords. Again, you see, it says here how customers search for your business. So this is a month. So customers will find your listing searching for your business name or address. So those people who just search our name or address, the name of this company or the address. So as you can see, it's a very small percentage. It's 2.4%, right? Which is like 8 people that actually find the business directly, which is very low in a space of 30 days. But this is what I wanted to point out to show you the importance of working on your Google My Business listing and optimizing it for discovery. Because here you can see it says customers who find your listing searching for your category or product or service. So meaning that when people do not know our business, they are searching by category, they are searching by product or services. Look at the percentage, right? Let's just go quickly. It's 97.6%. Say it's 98%. Let's run it off to 98%. This is in a space of 30 days, right? So about 329 people actually found the business in a space of 30 days. Now, what is important here, if a lot of people are discovering the business, what needs to happen, we need to ensure that the website is well optimized in terms of it loads quick, and when people actually view the website, they are able to leave their details or give us a call. It's very important because this is a very high number. So we should be getting calls and we should be getting people leaving in their information. So let's go down to the next section that Google is showing us with regards to this particular business listing. This is where customers view the business on Google, right? So again, I just put it in a month. I'm going to increase it now. As you can see, the listing on search is about 349, right? Listing on maps about 30. Remember, this is where customers view our business. So on the listing, on the search, or on the listing on the map. Again, it's quite high numbers. Total views is 369. I know businesses who don't even get this in a space of 3 months or 4 months. So obviously it will depend on the area that you are targeting, but I'm saying this is what you want to be having for your Google My Business listing for your business. Okay, let's go down. Customer actions. Now this is very important. In a space of 30 days, 1 month, right, we have 12 actions. As you can see, 7 people visited the website, 5 people gave us a call. Now that is not bad, considering that, as I've mentioned, if we get 7 visitors, let's assume that 5 didn't go to the website, so that'll be 7 plus 5, right? As you can see, there's the number there, right? So let us say out of those 12 we close like 3 or 4. Do you understand? It's less than 50%, just to be realistic, right? Again, if we close all of those customers, it's good business, especially if you are providing services that you charge quite a lot of money, that there's profit. So to be getting that 12 actions, and remember, these 12 actions is people who are looking for the services, and to close 4 or 5 from those 12 actions, you make a lot of money. As any company, it's profitable. Now I'm going to change the time frame a bit. I'm just going to make it the longest, so I'm going to say a quarter, right? It's giving us more information with regards to the queries, but I want to go to the searches and the actions for a quarter. I just want to see what you're actually missing out if you're not doing this. Can you see the difference now when we say a quarter? So all this time, this business has been getting leads. Can see the direct again is still low. You don't want what you want is the discovery to be high, right? When the direct is low, that is fine, because you want new people to find your business. Those who already know about your business, maybe they're just looking for your number, or they're just looking for something they forgot, but they already know about your business. And if you provide a good service for them, you can always retain them. But you want new customers. So can you see in a space of a quarter, this again is about 1,312 people actually discovered this particular business by searching for the product, by searching for the service, by searching for the category. Again, if the website is well optimized, this listing as well in terms of images, the information that is there, from 1,312 views, there's no ways in a space of a quarter now, it's not 30 days, there's no ways that you will not get business or get leads. Let me put it like that, because when I say get business, it sometimes would depend with the quotation and other variables. But with regards to leads, there's no ways you will receive total searches, people who discover it, 1,346, and you won't get any leads. In fact, where it says actions, it tells us actually if there were calls or there were people actually visited the site. Again, if we increase this to a quarter, right, you can see again the total views, they go up 1,442, and you can see in July it was low and it kept going up. August kept going up. As you can see, it's maintaining those positions every single month, right, where people are actually finding this, which is good, right? 1,452 people actually viewed the listing, right? I see on the search, that's what you want. Listing on the search, 1,300, and you see that is what you want, right? For people to discover you while they are searching. Also on the map, it's quite healthy. It's close to 100, the space of a quarter. Now I want to look at the actions, right? As you can see, in a quarter, 27 visits to the website, right? Request directions to 13 people who called. Now that is healthy. And bear in mind, this is not running Google ads. Bear in mind, this is not paying Google. This is just the company, us providing services, digital marketing services for them, and this is part of the deal that we have with them. So they are not paying anything extra, and this is gonna continue to grow and grow and grow those numbers. As you can see, even in the space of 30 days, it's quite healthy. Again, 12 actions, 7 visits to the website, 5 calls in the space of a month. Bear in mind, we continue working on this. Following month, if there is demand on business, that can go to 10. The amount of calls, that can go to 14. It goes up and goes up. So it's very, very important for you to be in that top 3 in that map, so that you can get similar results to this. And there's any questions you have with regards to this, I'll leave a link on the description below of our website. You can basically just leave your details and we'll do an analysis on how we can assist you as well by receiving this traffic, which will save you a lot of money and will save you a lot of time as well, and it will be beneficial and profitable for your business. So thank you very much for joining me. This is Luke Class from LKD Marketing. Do check out our website as well, www.lkdmarketing.co.za. I'll see you guys on another digital marketing video. Cheers.